Let's talk about Nilox X2, a bike, electric bike, Citybike, commuter bike, foldable bike, folding electric bike, 25 km/h speed, black. Electric bike with maximum speed 25 km/h. Wheels 16, 36 volts 250 watts engine power. A charging of 34 hours allows from 20 to 25 km of autonomy. Worst experience ever. After I used the bike 4 times, one of the pedals went off and it was not staying connected. So I contacted Amazon. After a back and forth game of emails, finally the seller agreed to arrange a pickup, that after 4 days of wait, did not happen. So I sent myself on my expense, not the original package, cause conformly of the law of the European Union am not obligated to keep the original package. So now the seller refuses to reimburse me, on this silly reason of not being sent in the original package. Anyway, quality of the bike was the problem. It is a product I will not recommend. Well-built bike.